Two ways to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can turn off vanish mode on Instagram. I'll show you two different ways. Now first things first, you want to open up Instagram. You want to head into your chat option by tapping on the chat icon at the top right corner of your screen, and you want to open up certain chat. Now suppose you have turned it on. Now let's show you how you can turn it on. You can simply tap on the profile username there and then tap on privacy and safety, and here you'll find the option vanish mode and you can enable it. Now suppose you have enabled it, then you can disable it in the similar way. You can go ahead to the profile username and then tap on privacy and safety and then disable it from here by toggling this off. Now you can see it's disappeared. Similarly, to turn it on the other way, the second way is to swipe your fingers after you open up the chat. Swipe your fingers from the bottom to the top of the screen this way, and you can see turned on. Now similarly, if you want to turn it off, the second way to turn it off is similarly swipe up. You can see here, swipe up to turn off the vanish mode. Swipe your fingers from top to bottom and it'll be turned off. So these are the two ways that you can turn on and turn off vanish mode on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.